सर आई एम अ फ्रेशर सर आई एम अ फ्रेशर सर मैं फ्रेशर हूँ ना। लेकिन सर मैं फ्रेशर हूँ सर, इतना तो चलेगा ना, मैं फ्रेशर हूँ। आई हैव हर्ड दिस सो मेनी टाइम्स। आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू टॉक और व्हाट टू से टू दिस fresher animators, and not in the animation industry I'm talking. If you consider any industry, everybody's mind has so ingrained thought of a fresher. They invest lakhs of rupees and they know that after 4 years they will start their career with an internship. Why? Sir, मैं fresher हूं ना. What the hell is wrong with you? Who told you that if you are a fresher then you can't get a paid job? It is you stopping your own self. इतना दिमाग में भर गया है वो फ्रेशर 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 that you don't even want to take action. You just don't want to be different than all other freshers. You have accepted your identity as a fresher. That is the problem. And you know what? You will have to start with internship because that's what you accepted. You don't even believe that you can get paid. I have seen students who come from so big places after learning animation, and they do some test, and if you give some corrections and tell them or ask them, do you think you should get a job with this showreel? You know what the answer is? Sir, itne mein to milna chahiye na, because I am a fresher. Why fresher? You show me something good, I will hire you. Why are you just giving an excuse that you are a fresher? If you are the owner of the company, if somebody comes to you who can't do the work you really want them to do, and if they tell you that, sir, मैं fresher हूँ ना, will you pay them the money from your pockets? Just tell me that. No, right? So why do you expect that they will pay you the money just because you are a fresher? And that is the reason students have to do the internship. That is so much ingrained in their mind, they don't even take any action. Even if they have an opportunity to learn something, learn from a mentor and fast track their growth, no sir, मैं fresher हूँ ना. Fresher इतने level पे तो मुझे job मिल जाएगा. No, 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 man. The time is gone. The competition is increasing. You need to stand out. You need to have that skill. If 100 people are running, if you are running the same way like those, do you think you will win? If they are thrown out, you will also be the one thrown out from the race. Because you have accepted the identity of a fresher. It's not bad to be a fresher. What I am trying to tell you that don't let it ingrain in you that even if you learn from some great places, you have that mindset that I will have to do internship because I don't know anything about the industry, because I am a fresher. So what is it? People who have done HSC without graduating, they have become millionaires. What if they had the same mindset? Fresher una mein. It's all about the mindset, what you think. If you don't believe or if you don't know something, that means you are ignorant. You are paying the price. You are investing lakhs of rupees. Still you believe that you need to do internship for 6 months and spend hours and hours for working without any penny. You agree for that. You agree to screw up your life or to struggle in your career at the beginning because you are ignorant. You just don't know what can I do so that I don't have to get into the internship. I can directly get a job where I can get paid, or even I can get freelance as a fresher, not experienced, as a fresher. But then you will need to upscale. You will need to improve your skills. Forget about this mentality of a fresher. Remove that from your mind. that you are a fresher. If you need to go ahead, if you need to compete with people, you need to stand out, because it's your life. It's not somebody else's life. Right? If others are freshers, why do you want to run behind them? You stand out, you do something else, you learn from a mentor, and you succeed faster. Let the people see you, that you made it. You just cracked it. But how did you crack it? Because you came out of the mentality of a fresher. You just gave more space to yourself. You just expanded your context that something great can happen with you. And that is what everybody needs. But I guarantee you, nobody talks about this. You will not find any school, college, institute talking about this. Then how you're going to succeed? You are just like an ordinary person studying an ordinary thing. So there is no difference then between animation and other careers if you come with this approach. Right? In education system, you learn something which is not at all helpful for you in your life. It's just the exams you give, you clear something, and at the end you stuck up in a job. You don't even know what can you do, what is your potential, what God has gifted you. No, you just don't want to believe in it, because you are ingrained with so many wrong thoughts from the people who have taught you, that you have accepted it as a reality, that I am a fresher. So it's very, very important for me to come up and tell you that this is where you are wrong. You are being ignorant. You just don't know what things can happen to you. And if somebody is there to tell you that this is what can happen, you question it, you see it, and then believe it. Instead of just pushing it back that this cannot happen, what if it's there for you? If I give you an example, you can charge 1 lakh rupees, but you are being ignorant. You just don't know the value of what you are doing, because you are thinking very small. So you charge only 20,000. So whose loss is this? Ignorance. You just don't know that I would have charged 1 lakh. And that's the problem with majority of the students. So this is my approach towards animation career, that first you need to look into yourself, where you are, what do you think? If you don't think rich, you are never going to be rich. You will just be mediocre as all those people who are struggling. And if you really want to struggle, then you can struggle. It's your choice. But if you're really looking to become an animator in short period of time, with some great skills, with some great life skills, and if you're really looking to unleash your true potential in animation, join Passion Animator. Mention in the comment section if you are really interested, if you really like this video, and we will get back to you so that we can help you become an animator in the right way. I hope you like this video and you got some value out of it, and you have shifted something in your mind after watching this video. And if that is so, I'm really happy to share more videos like this, and let me know if you have any questions. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. This is Naresh Chaudhary, India's first passion animator mentor, and I will see you in the next video with some more insights about different stuffs about you, about animation, about our own self, how we can improve, and what are the things that impact your career, right? So I'll see you in the next video. Take care and God bless.